Hello everyone and welcome to another Add Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM 2017 Paper 2 question number 5 from Form 4 Chapter 6 Coordinate Geometry long question. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. Solution by scale drawing is not accepted. Diagram 3 shows the locations of town A and town B drawn on a Cartesian plane. PQ is a straight road such that the distance from town A and town B to any point on the road is always equal. So as you can see in the diagram over here, so this is the town A with the coordinate -4, -1. Okay, this is the town B with the coordinate 2, 1, and this is the road PQ. Okay, continue to read the question. Okay, for the question part A, they ask us to find the equation of PQ. For the question part B, another straight road ST with an equation y equals to 2x plus 7 is to be built. A traffic light is to be installed at the crossroads of the two roads. Find the coordinates of the traffic light. Which of the two roads passes through town C with a coordinate -4/3, 1? So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve the question. Before moving on to the discussion of the question part A, let me remind you that this question is a hot question. So please give extra attention to my explanation, guys. Okay, if you have no idea on how to begin this question, so please read this particular statement carefully. PQ is a straight road such that the distance from town A and town B to any point on the road is always equal. So according to this statement, it is indicating that you need to use the equation of locus concept. To be more precise, you need to come up with a perpendicular bisector locus. Still don't understand? No problem, guys. I've already completed a sketch for you, so you can have a look at it now. Okay, let me show you the completed sketch according to the diagram 3 here. Okay, so this is the completed diagram. So as you can see here, this is the point A and point B, which according to the real diagram, it is indicating the town A and town B. This dotted line PQ resembling the road PQ, and this point R indicating a moving point. Okay, to be more precise, it is a locus. Okay, moving point locus with a point R, X, Y. Okay, doesn't matter, guys. You can write point S, point T. It is up to you. Okay, and then you can ask me, so how do you know that it is a perpendicular bisector? Like I mentioned that, read the question carefully. They mentioned that distance from town A to town B to any point on the road is always equal. Like I said, your point R can be here, your point R can be here, and your point R can be over here. So whenever your point R is moving, your position of town A and town B must be always equal all the time. So this is the indication that your locus is a perpendicular bisector. So I hope that you understand my explanation. Okay, from here, once you understand this concept, the rest should not be a problem for you guys. Okay, so for the question part A, we are going to apply the equation of locus concept, which is perpendicular bisector. So from here, we can form this equation such that the distance of RA is equals to the distance of RB. Okay, so from here we're going to come up with our working. So please follow up with me, guys. Okay, so from here, to calculate the distance of RA, so it will be x minus -4, okay, and a square bracket, square, plus with y minus -1, and then I put a square bracket here, square. Okay, since we are calculating a distance between point R and then a point A, so you need to square root it. Okay, so this is for the distance RA. So let us proceed to calculate for the distance RB. Okay, for the distance RB, so from here we're going to calculate x minus 2 square plus with y minus 1 square. Okay, and then you square root this. Okay, so far so good. So for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate this square root on the both side. So how are we going to eliminate the square root? So we're going to square both side in order to eliminate the square root. So when you square both sides, you will get x plus 4 square plus 9 plus 1 square, it is equals to x minus 2 square plus 9 minus 1 square. Okay, let us proceed to the next step. Alright, by the way, let me write here the question part A. Alright, okay, let us continue to our next step now. Okay, so this x plus 4 square, y plus 1 square, x minus 2 square and y minus 1 square. So we're going to expand them. So let us start with the left hand side. So from here, x plus 4 square, you should get x square plus 8x plus 16. As for y plus 1 square, you expand this, you should get y square plus 2y plus 1. Okay, this is for the left hand side. Okay, as for the right hand side, so x minus 2 square, you expand this, you should get x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, this y minus 1 square, you expand, you should get y square minus 2y plus 1. Okay, so the x square in the left hand side and the right hand side, so you can cancel them out. The same thing applies for the y square. The y square in the left hand side and the right hand side, you can cancel them out as well. Okay, so you're only left with 8x plus 16 plus 2y plus 1 for the left hand side. As for the right hand side, you have negative 4x plus 4 minus 2y plus 1 for the right hand side. Okay, so let us solve them. So from here, for the left hand side, you will get 8x plus 2y plus 17 is equals to negative 4x minus 2y plus 5. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to group y in left hand side and the x and the numbers in the right hand side. So from here, you'll get 4y is equals to negative 8x, you minus with 4x, you'll get is negative 12x. When the 17, you move it over to the right hand side, it will become negative. So negative 17 plus 5, you'll get is negative 12. Okay, to simplify this equation, we divide the whole equation by 4. So from here, you should get y is equals to negative 3x minus 3. So this is the equation of straight line PQ. Okay, so let me underline the solution for the question part A. Okay, that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for the question part A. Okay, from here let us proceed to the question part B now. Let us continue our discussion for the question B part 1. Okay, for the question B part 1, they ask you to find the coordinate of traffic light. Okay, what does this mean, guys? Okay, coordinate of traffic light indicates the intersection of straight line PQ and ST, or you can mention that intersection of road PQ and road ST. Okay, so let me write down in the working here. Okay, let us continue. So in the question, they already gave us the equation ST as y equals to 2x plus 7. So the straight line equation PQ we have already find in the question part A, which is y equals to negative 3x minus 3. So let us write it down. So y equals to negative 3x minus 3. So this is the straight line equation PQ, and then y equals to 2x plus 7. So this is the straight line ST. Okay, to find the intersection of these two straight line, so what we need to do is we need to perform simultaneous equation. Okay, so in order to perform the simultaneous equation, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this x into the left hand side for the two equations so that we can perform the elimination method. Okay, so from here y plus 3x will be equals to negative 3, and then y minus 2x will be equals to 7. Okay, so this will be your first equation and this will be your second equation. Okay, so if I were you, I will choose to eliminate the variable y first, as it is easy for us to solve. So to eliminate the variable y, equation 1 you minus with the equation 2. Okay, the y you cancel off. So 3x you minus with 2x, so you will get is 5x. So negative 3 minus with 7 you should get is negative 10. So from here you get your x coordinate is equals to negative 2. Okay, so once you get the x coordinate, to find the y coordinate will be very easy. Okay, you can choose either equation PQ or ST. So in this case, I choose to substitute into the equation PQ. When x equals to negative 2, y will be equals to negative 3 times with negative 2 minus 3. Negative 3 times with negative 2 you get is 6. So 6 minus 3, you should get your y value is equals to 3. So from here you should know that your coordinate of traffic light is equals to negative 2 and 3. So let me write the answer and underline the solution. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for the question B part 1. From here, let us proceed to the question B part 2. Let us continue our discussion for the question B part 2. To solve this question, we are going to use the trial and error method to identify whether road PQ or road ST will pass us through town C or not. Okay, so we are going to start with the equation PQ. So we are going to use the trial and error method over here. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the equation PQ. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the coordinate negative 4 over 3, 1, and then we're going to substitute into the equation PQ, and then we're going to identify whether the left hand side is equals to right hand side or not. Okay, so by using coordinate C, where it is negative 4 over 3 comma 1. So from here, so let us substitute the x value into the equation. So from here, your straight line equation PQ is negative 3x minus 3. So you substitute negative 4 over 3 into the equation. So from here, negative 3 into the bracket, negative 4 over 3 close bracket minus 3 equals to 1. Okay, this calculation you should get equals to 1. Okay, if you get it, then you should know that your left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, so this 3 you simplify, you get 1. So this negative 3 you simplify, you get is negative 1. So negative 1 you times with negative 4, you get is 4. So from here, 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So 4 minus 3 you should get is 1. So from here you know that your left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, so from here we know that road PQ passes through town C with the coordinate negative 4 over 3 1. Okay, however, let us double check with the second road, which is the road ST. So from here, so we're going to continue with the equation ST. So equation ST is 2x plus 7. So from here, we're going to substitute the negative 4 over 3 into the equation. So from here, 2 in a bracket, negative 4 over 3 close bracket, okay, plus with 7. So you should get this equals to 1. So let us check it out. So 2 times with negative 4 over 3 you should get is negative 8 over 3, and then you plus with 7 equals to 1. Okay, so you calculate this, negative 8 over 3 plus 7 you should get is 13 over 3. So from here you should know that the 13 over 3 is not equals to 1. So from here we can make the conclusion as left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So according to this comparison between equation PQ and equation ST, so we can make the conclusion that road PQ passes through town C with the coordinate C negative 4 over 3 1. Okay. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.